Whooping cough cases are climbing in Reno County, and health officials are taking steps to fight the disease. KAKE's Ben Jordan is live in Hutchinson with what precautions are being taken.
Jamel, health officials tell me they are alarmed by the growing number of whooping cough cases here in Reno County. Take a look behind me. The doors open here at 12, but several people already tell me they have been going in to get their vaccinations earlier this morning. Now, officials do want parents to bring a lot of kids to get immunized because vaccination rates are low here in Reno County. This outbreak started near the end of the school year at Hutch schools and has about doubled through the first month of summer. Now, this event isn't just for kids, it's for anyone and everyone, and it's an event that goes on from 12 to 7, and it's completely free. We'll be live here all day. Reporting in Hutch, Ben Jordan, KAKE News.
For more information, you can call the Reno County Health Department at 620-694-2900.